Alright, let's get right into it. SEO, or search engine optimization. It's one of those buzzwords you hear all the time. But what does it really mean for you and your website? Whether you're running a small business, a personal blog, or an online store, understanding SEO is the key to unlocking more visitors, more engagement, and ultimately, more success online. You've heard about it, you know it's important, but how does it actually work? Why do some websites always seem to show up first while others are buried pages deep? Let's demystify the process together. And more importantly, how can you use it to boost your website? Imagine your site getting more clicks, more customers, and more recognition, all thanks to a few smart SEO moves. Stick with me for the next 3 minutes and I'll break it all down, beginner style. No jargon, no complicated tech talk. Just simple steps you can start using today. First things first, SEO is all about helping your website show up higher in search results. Think Google, Bing, Yahoo. These search engines are like digital librarians, sorting through billions of pages to find the best answers for every question. When someone types in something related to your business, you want your site as close to the top as possible. The higher you rank, the more likely people are to click on your link. Why? Because nobody scrolls to page 2. In fact, studies show that most people never look past the first few results. If you're not on page 1, you're missing out on a huge chunk of potential visitors. So how do you get there? It all starts with keywords. These are the foundation of SEO, and they're more important than you might think. These are the words and phrases people type into search engines. Think about what your customers might be searching for. What problems do they need solved? What questions are they asking? Let's say you run a coffee shop in Seattle. Your potential customers might search for best coffee in Seattle, Seattle coffee shops near me, or latte art Seattle. You want to show up when someone searches best coffee in Seattle. That's your golden ticket to more foot traffic and online orders. By weaving those keywords naturally into your website's content, your headlines, your blog posts, even your image descriptions, you make it easier for search engines to understand what your site is all about. But remember, don't just stuff keywords everywhere. Write for humans first, search engines second. Make your content helpful, interesting, and easy to read. Take a moment to brainstorm a list of keywords that truly represent your business. Think about what makes you unique and what your customers are really looking for. But that's just step 1. There's more to SEO than just keywords. Next up, quality content. This is where you can really shine and set yourself apart from the competition. Search engines love fresh, helpful, and original information. The more you update your site with new articles, guides, or product pages, the more reasons you give Google to visit and rank your site higher. If you're answering questions people are actually asking, like, what's the difference between cold brew and iced coffee? You're already winning. Think about creating FAQs, how-to guides, or even fun stories about your business. The more value you offer, the more likely other sites will link back to you, and Google loves that. Now let's talk tech. Backlinks, those links from other websites to yours, are like votes of confidence in the eyes of search engines. Your website needs to load fast, look good on mobile, and be easy to navigate. A slow or clunky site can turn visitors away in seconds. If your site's slow or confusing, people bounce, and search engines notice. High bounce rates can hurt your rankings, so make sure your site is user-friendly and quick to load. Make sure you're using simple URLs, alt text for images, and a secure HTTPS connection. These technical tweaks help both users and search engines understand and trust your site. All of these little things add up. SEO is like a puzzle. Every piece matters, and together they create a strong foundation for your online presence. But here's the secret sauce. SEO isn't a one-time thing. It's ongoing. The digital world is always changing, and so are the rules of SEO. Track your progress with tools like Google Analytics. These tools show you where your visitors are coming from, what they're doing on your site, and which pages are most popular. See what's working, tweak what's not, and stay up to date with the latest trends, because Google changes the rules all the time. Don't be afraid to experiment and try new strategies. To wrap it up, focus on the right keywords, create awesome content, keep your site technical friendly, and always keep improving. Remember, SEO is a journey, not a destination. Do that, and you'll be climbing the search rankings in no time. The results might not be instant, but with patience and persistence, you'll see real growth. Ready to take your website to the next level? Start applying these tips today and watch your traffic soar. Hit that subscribe button for more digital marketing tips. Stay tuned, and let's grow your online presence together.